your love is like a wind that blows. I can't give up and I can't let go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today is my weekly Slimming World weigh-in update. So as you know, if you've watched my video, I've been documenting the last couple of weeks of my Slimming World journey. And if you know a little bit about my history, you can see it in my previous video, which I'll just pop a reminder at the top here. And that'll just explain why I've come back to Slimming World. Obviously I've done the Slimming World before, etc. But you can watch that video there. So anyway, this week, yeah, I had a lot going on. So if you remember last week, I was kind of disappointed that I'd lost 1.5 pounds in my first week, and I was expecting a larger weight loss. Well, I had a bit of a troublesome week as well. So yeah, I was going to a party. So the day that I filmed the video last week, I was going to a party. So obviously during the time at the party, we had some party food, had some drinks, some prosecco, some gin, party food, party cake, more party cake. So I was kind of off plan most of Saturday afternoon and through till Sunday. So I was kind of a little bit off plan during the party time, and obviously I wanted to enjoy myself. So I did indulge. I had obviously all those things. I tried to be selective on what I chose, but obviously I did have drinks. I'm not going to say that I didn't have them. I obviously did. But apart from that, I was on plan for the rest of the week. Now, a lot of the time I was under my sins. So we're talking like between 7 and 10 sins. Sometimes one day I think I went up to 15 because I was feeling a little bit bingy like you do. Yeah, but I never went over the sins apart from that one time. So when I went to weigh in on Thursday, I actually maintained. Now, I'm not disappointed. Originally, I was kind of disappointed because I expected a loss. But then when I look back and think, well, I ate all that buffet food, I had 2 lots of cake, I had a glass of Prosecco, I had like 6 gin and tonics, I ate crackers and cheese and dips and loads of stuff really. So when I calculated it, I actually don't think I did that bad. And to maintain and to sort of claw it back after having, you know, a whole day or evening of sort of binging a little bit, I didn't think it was too bad. So I've kind of, after speaking to my boyfriend's mum Mandy, who I go with, she sort of said, well, at least you've not put on. So yeah, so I'm back on plan this week. I'm hoping. I haven't really got anything planned. The only thing that I'm doing is I'm going to the fair with my friend on Monday, but I think she's making us a chili to eat, so maybe that won't be too bad. Obviously we are avoiding the fish and chips, which is what we would normally have, and then apart from that I should be on plan all week. So hopefully this next week I will be going back to making losses. So yeah, so let me just pop on the screen then. So yeah, I maintained this week. Yeah, so anyway, while I was in group as well, I wanted to pick up this new cookbook, which is the 50 Golden Greats. They've got some amazing recipes in there. So I did take into account as well the comments that you left on my last video. Obviously it won't be in this video, but I'm going to include in my weekly vlog some chit chat about, you know, what foods I've had, what breakfast I've had. That'll be coming up in the next video. So I did take them comments on board. I just wanted to give you a little bit of a flip through, or just a couple of really amazing recipes. Actually, has anybody made the recipe out of this Time Slimming World magazine? It's actually a chicken curry, a Chinese chicken curry, where I'm going to make it tonight. Actually I'll put that in the next video as well, because it'll be obviously a follow-on from today, so you'll see that obviously in the next video. Yeah, they've got some really good recipes in there, and obviously me and Sam, we love curry, so curry is always brilliant in our house. So yeah, I'm going to make that. It's out of the book, and then obviously this obviously got the 50 best recipes that have been voted best. So the first one is the chicken tikka masala, which I'm going to make tomorrow, but I need to marinate it today. So it seems quite easy to make. That is the tikka masala. Obviously I love an Indian, I love a Chinese. It's always going to go down well with me. And to be honest, we make so much as well that we always end up with sort of leftovers so we can have more tomorrow. Sometimes I like to take it to work. So that's been really good. I've just been dead good with stuff again this week. We've had chili, which is a dead easy one to make. We've had the Linda McCartney pulled pork burgers. If you haven't tried them before, they're really, really nice. I know I found them when I was a vegetarian. I actually really still enjoy them, and they're only 1 cent each. The breakfast as well, you can buy the Linda McCartney red onion and sage, I think, sausage, or rosemary, sorry, sausages, which are free as well. And I know Slimming World do their own free ones too, but if you are a vegetarian, I kind of like those, even though I'm no longer a vegetarian. But I know Slimming World do their own as well, which I haven't tried. We had that one evening, we actually had it last night. Yeah, and various like jacket potatoes with like leftover chili, and kind of forget what you make after a week's gone by. So anyway, I'm going to be making this recipe as well. I'm going to be making the one out of the Slimming World book as well. Obviously, I've been filling in my food diary. I've handed the second one in now to my rep. And she did hand me my old one back, and just basically said just to remember to keep, you know, make sure you put a lot of veg on your plate. A third of it should be vegetables and speed food, which I think I was doing because I've been having a lot of fruit and yogurt and fill up on the free foods. But again, I haven't gone over my sins apart from Saturday, and so I think I did quite well actually. So yeah. So that's everything this week. Yeah, as I say, I've took on board your comments. So obviously my next video is going to show you some food items that I've had during the week. Just sort of mash it up a little bit than just listening to me waffle on. Anyway, so that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.